Okay, so when we're dealing with percents, it is important to realize that before performing calculations with percents, be aware of the fact that we generally will change the percent into its decimal equivalent. So in this case, we have 35% of 50. So 35% is the decimal equivalent of that is 0.35. So we would say before attempting the problem, we would say look at 35%, change that to 0.35, then multiply that times 50 and we would get 17.5. So in answering the question, what is 35% of 50? And the answer would be 17.5. Okay, let's continue. Now look at 3/4 equals 75%. Now this is a very, very important fraction because, or equation, because it shows you basically the format of what we're doing when we start dealing with percents. The 3 is part, we call that part of the base, whatever number that is. In this case, it's 3. It's part of the base. The 4 is the entire base. That's the whole enchilada. And 75 is the percent, as you see. Okay, now sometimes it's easy to answer a percent problem by actually drawing a diagram. So if we say, what is 25% of 40? Okay, so, and if we draw a diagram and divide that into 4 squares of 10, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 25% of that, the first square, we can easily say that what? That 25% of 40 is 10. But now how do we do that mathematically? Okay, we can also solve it mathematically. Okay, we want to find the part of 25% of the entire base. Okay, of the entire base. So the n is the unknown. R represents time. And 25% we say is going to be what? 0.25. Why is it going to be 0.25? Because we're again changing the 25% into its decimal equivalent. So what is, that's the unknown. So n is equal